Hey, it's guys from Coast Caters back with you, and in this video we're going to show you how to properly shuck raw oysters. Hopefully you just watched our other video on what single oysters are versus the wild-caught cluster oysters we have in South Carolina. But in this video we're just going to show you real quickly how to shuck oysters, shuck raw oysters. So we have a single oyster here. That's what you normally see in most restaurants, things like that throughout the country. Is going to be the farm-raised single oysters, and you're going to open them by going to the hinge here. You don't want to go to the top, you want to go to the hinge. That's where you want to open it. So you're going to open it like this. Use your knife. Open it up. And there you see you have the oyster inside of it, the raw oyster. You want some hot sauce, cocktail sauce, eat it raw. But this is a farm-raised single oyster that has been shucked. Open it at the hinge. And now we have a cluster oyster, and we're going to open that right here. You see on the cluster that there's a bunch of oyster ones, but this is the big one right here. So we're going to go ahead and open this one and show you the difference here. And that's a very nice, very pretty cluster oyster. Here it is right here. So you have two raw oysters here. You have the single oyster, the cluster oyster. Beautiful cluster oyster, and then just one more time at the hinge. Open up this another single shell here. There you have that one, and that's how you shuck oysters, raw oysters. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and watch some of our other videos. We really would appreciate that, and thank you, and have a great day.